My name is Asad Yaqub, and we are going to start with your IELTS speaking test. What's your good name?
My name is Ahmed Yar Khan.
All right. Do you work or study?
Currently, I am studying. I am preparing for my IELTS exam for my foreign studies.
Okay. All right. Let's take a start. What is your favorite type of food?
Basically, I like various type of food, but my most favorite is uh, rice with chicken, and basically it is our national dish in Pakistan. So mostly, like our mothers and family like to eat together on weekends.
What is a common meal in your country?
Common meal, like basically people like with bread and gravy, and mostly people like meat, and another hand like people eat roasted chicken on the other festivals, but on other hand they like desserts and anything which is available easily.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, definitely. I like cooking, and I like to cook on Sundays. And mostly, I subscribe many channels on cooking, and I follow them, but not religiously. But often, I just prepare notes and make different type of
When do
recipes.
you eat your main meal of the day?
On basically when I got up early, firstly I just I cook my breakfast, and then on 1:30 p.m. So we just get together and eat my main food, and with my family and brothers.
All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a restaurant that you enjoyed going to. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes, basically in the last year we were with I was with my family at the Monal Hotel, Islamabad, and why I like it so much, because of their variety of recipes, and the most favorite recipe in the hotel was with chicken biryani, and the Russian and Italian. And the Munal hotel was best for their international food, and so we usually go went there for the dinner, and the and after that we ate desserts and sweets, and the most beautiful thing about the restaurant is it is located in a beautiful location in the middle of the mountains, and the scenery was very remarkable and beautiful, and in the nest.
Okay, thank you. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. Do many people eat in restaurants in your country?
Yes, definitely. And my in my country, like Pakistan, people are very foodie, and they spend most of time in restaurant with friends and family, and they are mostly like to go and hang out with their friends.
Okay, which are more popular, fast food restaurants or traditional restaurants?
I think it's a base of it's based on culture. Like mostly people like desi food in Pakistan, and even nowadays most like young generation like fast food, and they don't know, either they don't know the cultural food, so they are more to in fast food.
All right, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Now, let's see. The first thing is grammatical mistakes. Like you said, on hand, it should have been on one hand, and then on the other hand, right? Then you said I got up early morning. The question was something about common meal in your country. So you started from morning and then you reached lunch. So you should have said like the most common meal. For example, yeah, You could talk about that. When do you eat your main meal of the day? You should have said, I take my main meal of the day at night, and that is dinner. I always have a quick breakfast, and in the office, I only take some snacks for lunch. But at night, when I reach home, then I have my proper dinner. So, to answer your question, my main meal of the day is dinner, and I take it at night, or I have it at night. So this is how you need to answer. Then in the speaking part 2, you made a lot of grammatical mistakes related to tenses. You said in the last year. It should have been just last year, right? And it is written clearly restaurant, and you are using the word hotel. Hotel. Pronunciation is wrong. Restaurant is where you eat. Hotel is where you live, where you stay and eat. There are restaurants in the hotel, right? So you were using the word hotel, Munal Hotel, Munal Hotel. It's not the hotel, it's the restaurant, okay? So you made mistakes there. And then you said was best for international food. You should have said it is good for international food. And the topic, yeah, it is the past tense. But when you talk about something which is true for the restaurant, for that you can use the present tense. Okay, and then there were some pronunciation mistakes like desert. Desert is the body of sand, right? It's the dish is called dessert. Sweet dish is called dessert. And then you use the word desi food. It should be continental food, traditional food, local food. That's better. And then you said young generation like. Subject verb agreement. Young generation likes. So these type of mistakes are quite frequent, but still looking at your overall performance, I'll give you 6 band.